Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to upload on Gumroad. First, navigate to your Gumroad dashboard after logging in. You will see a prominent new product button. Click this to begin your creation journey. Gumroad offers various product types, from digital downloads to memberships. Select the one that best suits what you are selling. This initial step is crucial for setting up your product's foundation and ensuring a smooth upload process. Next, you will define your product's identity. Give it a catchy, informative name that grabs attention. Below that, craft a detailed description, emphasizing what your customers will gain. This is your chance to sell its value. Then, set your price. Remember, Gumroad takes a small 8% fee on each sale, so factor that into your pricing strategy. You can always adjust this later if needed. Now it's time to upload your actual product files. Whether it's an ebook, a video, or a software package, simply drag and drop them or select them from your computer. Don't forget to add an eye-catching cover image and a clear thumbnail. These visuals are vital for attracting buyers. You can also customize various settings, like offering different versions or setting a quantity limit to tailor your product perfectly. Finally, with all your details entered and files uploaded, it is time to publish. Take a moment to review everything one last time to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button. Your product is now live and available for purchase on Gumroad. Don't forget to share your unique product link widely across your social media channels and other platforms to start driving sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.